This video is brought to you by Restaurantware. In it, we're talking about plates, specifically these mini bamboo plates. We have several different size and shape options to show you, the first of which is the small, round, natural bamboo plate. It's 3.5 inches in diameter, and you can see it features that nice little indent in the center and a lovely little rim so that they're really easy to grab. Next, we have the round, natural bamboo dish. It's 2.5 inches in diameter, and it's made of that wonderful natural bamboo for a nice, sturdy, durable option for a little mini plate. The square natural bamboo dish is 2.25 inches by 2.25 inches and features a nice, lovely curve to it as well. There's the rectangle natural bamboo dish that's 3 inches long by 2.25 inches wide and features this lovely oval-shaped indent to it to help keep your foods in place. There's the rectangle natural bamboo duo plate, which is 4.75 inches long by 2.5 inches wide and features these lovely 2 compartments that are great for pairing up small bites together. There's also the square natural bamboo carved plate that's 2.5 inches by 2.5 inches and features this nice, lovely indent carved shape that gives you a wonderful lip to help keep your foods on there. They're all made from sustainable bamboo for an eco-friendly disposable option. They're both commercially compostable and biodegradable. These little plates are suitable for both hot and cold foods, and you've got a nice range of unique sizes and shapes. They're perfect for serving up tasting portions, small appetizers, mini bites, and even mini desserts. The natural bamboo color goes with any decor scheme and it lends a nice light warmth. They're perfect for catered events, corporate functions, weddings, and parties. These are a great option for restaurants, caterers, party planners, venues for an eco-friendly disposable mini plate.